the 2020 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, six-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.